Hello everybody and welcome to Cheese of the Week, because it's Thursday and this beautiful little kitty is Priscilla, otherwise known as Scylla or the Peaster, or most commonly just P.
P.
She answers very well to P. She is very small, she's fully grown, but she weighs about 3 ounces and she's very small and she's completely mad. Anyway, leave P alone. Leave her alone. Leave P alone.
She was going for the frying pan.
Stop. Cheese.
Yes.
Focus. Focus. Cheese. Okay. So today we have
smoked cheddar cheese with paprika from Trader Joe's.
Trader Joe's. We love Trader Joe's. We're not near a Trader Joe's, so when we go, we get a haul of Trader Joe's cheeses. You can of course get non-Trader Joe's versions of smoked cheddar cheese, but we love Trader Joe's. This is aged a minimum of 2 years. It has pasteurized milks. Oh, excuse me, salt. IP. Cheese cultures, calcium chloride, paprika, colour and spice, microbial enzymes, and apple wood smokes. It has 8 grams of fat for an ounce. It has 2 grams of total carbs, but no grams of sugar or added sugar, and protein is 7 grams. So this is slightly fattier than the Jarlsberg that we had last week. Marginally, just a little bit.
Hey, you told me to leave P alone, so I'm not doing nothing.
Bye, P. I brought backup this week in case I'm struggling with my cheese implements.
Yeah. So is this kind of like the goulash of cheese then?
Apparently.
The paprika?
It looks very exciting.
It does.
Oh, it smells very exciting.
Oh yeah. Definitely got a smoky scent on for that one.
Oh, we forgot to tell you, lovely people who are new to our channel or new to Cheese of the Week, why we do Cheese of the Week. What's Cheese of the Week all about, Yogi Parker?
Well, one, it's an excuse for us to eat really awesome, unique cheeses and add more of it on there. We like that excuse. But two, as Carrie said last week, some people fall into a cheese rut, which is bad. We don't want to be in cheese rut. Cheese ruts is not a good thing. So what we want to do is introduce people to new and exciting cheeses that we find around so they can get something a little bit different into their diet than the typical cheddar and mozzarella and cream cheese and whatnot.
But wait, this is cheddar.
It is cheddar, but it's a different cheddar.
It is a different cheddar. And I may regret this.
Mm-hmm.
I may regret, like, oh.
It's definitely got a smoky spice to it.
This is super delicious.
It is really good.
But I want to have a piece from the inside because that was the edge, which is completely coated.
The edge is really strong with the paprika.
Paprika. So try a piece in the middle, like without all the paprika.
It's a very nice, like slightly sharp cheddar. And it's definitely got a lot of smoke to it, but not overpoweringly so.
That's really nice smoke.
Yeah, it really is.
It's not hard smoke. That's Really nice. Really nice smoke.
You know what this would go great with? My dark chocolate chili mole.
And P is insistent that she have a cameo in the smoked cheese video.
She's a star. What do you expect? She's got to say hi to her peoples.
I'm sorry, P. It's creamier. It's a little bit creamier than regular cheddar.
Yeah.
It's been aged for 2 years, but it doesn't have. This is delicious. I just thought, oh, that didn't go well, did it?
You didn't cut the cheese properly.
I didn't. I can blame the cheese knife, but a bad workman always blames his tools. So this is delicious. This is really, really, really good, and it's from Trader Joe's. So the price is no longer on there, but I know it was a great price because it was from Trader Joe's.
I would definitely love to have this on a charcuterie board.
Yeah.
So
this, you could just eat this on its own.
Yeah. It's got a lot of flavor.
This has a really lot of flavor, but it's very.
And there is some.
It's strong but mellow.
Yeah. There's a spice to it, especially on the outside with the rind, but it's not overpowering. Like, you don't really get any heat from it.
Yeah, it's not heat. Even I'm not getting heat.
Yeah, but there is a spice to it. You definitely have a spice flavor from the paprika, a peppery flavor from the paprika.
But I think the smoke has given it a different texture. It's a softer, creamier texture than most of your cheddars.
It's
also,
really nice.
You get
Cheeto fingers.
You get orange fingers. That's really nice, and I think I'm going to hide this somewhere so that somebody can't eat it all.
P.
And that, my lovely friends and cheese lovers, is your cheese of the week. And we will be back next Thursday with some more fantastic cheeses that you should go and buy so that you can up delicious your keto. This would be really good, like in cheese sauce instead of just cheddar. This would make a fantastic cheese sauce.
A smoky mac and cheese with like the cauliflower. Or you know what? I do this, I haven't made it in a long time, but I do a beef and cheddar chowder this would be awesome with.
So good. So good. If you have a Trader Joe's near you, highly recommend go get some Trader Joe's smoked cheddar cheese. And
it's Grand Central around here.
And that was not P, that was actually Buster. They look very alike, but that was Buster. And now we're going to run away before we get overrun with cats. See ya!
See you later!